Number 5 says to expand, so we have to multiply. What do we have to use to do the multiplication? Whatever that is outside of the bracket, that's what we have to use to do the multiplication. What are we seeing there? X and X. So we have to take that X and multiply it to everything in the bracket. So let's create an example like this. Instead of a lonely X, let's put a negative X. Let's make things a little interesting. These are very simple example. X by X, X by 1. X by 1, X by negative X. Let's put the 2X minus a 3. Well, let's put a 5. We can create examples also. Just like what I just created this example, you can create your own example to further your practice. So we're going to multiply using the negative 3x because it's the coefficient. We can easily put a multiplication sign on the right side of it. So negative 3x times 2x. And let's copy it. Negative 3x times, so you can repeat it again. Negative 3x times negative 5. So that's what is going on there. If you want to do some separation, they're looking to cluster together, you're not too sure what is happening, you click there, right there, because that negative sign belongs to the 3. And then you can separate them. That's what you have there. You have a negative 3x times a 2x, and you can even put an invisible and sign between them, and a negative 3x times a negative 5. Okay, you can even practice doing that. You don't normally see that happen, but this is legitimate. This is legitimate. What I'm telling you. You can put, if you have a blank spot, you can put an and, which is a plus. But negative 3x times 2x and negative 3x times negative 5. The negative times a positive is a negative. So that's going to give us negative 6x squared. Very careful, because this is x to the power of 1, and this is x to the power of 1. If you don't see a power, there's a power of 1. And when you multiply in letters, you add the exponents, you add the powers. Once the letters are the same and you are multiplying, you add the exponents. You add the exponents, you add the powers. You multiply the coefficients and you add the exponent. So this is going to become negative 6x, 1 plus 1 is 2, negative 6x squared. And what else do we have? A negative times a negative is a positive. So this is positive 15x. Be very mindful when you're multiplying letters. Once the letters are the same, you can easily add the exponents, add the exponents, add the powers. And here we have 1 plus 1. If you don't see an exponent, there's an exponent of 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. X times x is x squared. For that reason, negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. A negative times a negative is a positive. Negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15x.